This tutorial river will show you how to create a transparent gradient mask with Illustrator. First of all, open your photo, click on Window. Make sure to enable Control, Gradient, and the Transparency, and select here the rectangular tool, and select a color from here, and draw a rectangle to cover your object. Now click on this gradient and select this black and white gradient. Now click on Edit, Cut, select the selection tool, select your object, open Transparency menu, click on Make Mask, select the mask option, press Ctrl V, and select the gradient tool. Now you can adjust the gradient. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.